Welcome to this healing affirmation meditation. Allow yourself to relax, to receive, and to restore. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Let's begin. My immune system is powerful, resilient, and wise. Healing flows to me easily and naturally. I draw perfect health and strength into my life. Wholeness is my natural state. I am deeply thankful for my thriving health. I rest deeply and wake up refreshed and joyful. It is safe and natural for me to live in total wellness. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Trust your body. Trust the healing. You are whole. You are well. You are radiant. When you're ready, return to the present moment, refreshed